Your comfort zone feels safe. It feels warm, predictable, easy. But what if I told you the same place you feel safe in is the same place destroying your potential? Comfort whispers to you every single day, "Stay here, don't risk it, don't embarrass yourself, don't fail." And so you listen, you stay where it's easy, you scroll, you delay, you overthink. Days turn into months, months turn into years, and nothing changes. Comfort doesn't attack you. It doesn't destroy you overnight. It slowly weakens you. It makes you accept average. It makes you settle. It makes you smaller than you're meant to be. Everything that grows struggles first. Muscles tear before they grow. Skills feel awkward before they improve. Confidence feels fake before it becomes real. Discomfort is the price of progress, but most people quit at the first sign of pain. The moment it gets hard, they run back to comfort. That's why they stay average. That's why their dreams stay dreams. Here's the brutal truth. Your comfort zone is not protecting you. It's limiting you. Every time you choose easy, you train yourself to avoid hard. And life respects only those who can handle hard. If you don't step out, someone else will. Someone else will take the risk. Someone else will build the discipline. Someone else will take the opportunity you were too comfortable to chase. You don't need more motivation. You need friction, challenge, pressure. Pressure builds strength. Resistance builds power. Struggle builds character. Step into discomfort daily. Do the hard thing. Make the call. Start the project. Wake up early. Move even when you don't feel like it. Because that's where confidence is built. That's where strength is forged. That's where winners are created. Comfort feels safe, but growth feels powerful. Choose wisely.